Hi guys, so today it's finally my time. I just bought the Jurassic World Legacy Collection, Giganotsauras versus Theriznosauras, or in Spanish you could say Giganotosauri contra Theriznosauras. Yeah. People can say it in Spanish or English. Most people say it in English, like me. Alright, so this is the Jurassic Legacy Collection, Giganotosaurus versus Therizinosaurus reimagined. And this I think while carrying the box from Target, I don't know why I always go there, but I think I learned that reimagined on the package. I think it means that like part of the scene of a movie was like created into a toy, so it says reimagined. So like I think I knew, like I learned that this was from Jurassic World Dominion, which I already know, and it's reimagined, so it's different now. All right, so let's get to unboxing. Okay, let's do the Therizinosaurus first, because I like that dinosaur. Let's do the Therizinosaurus first. Let's do the Therizinosaurus. Okay, is it out now? Oh. Okay, I swear this is. Oh, this is not coming out of the box, man. I guess it's not coming out of the box at all. At least it's halfway out. Oh, there's I can see the snippy now. Why am I doing this like crazy, bro? Like, is there any explanation? Okay. Okay, don't worry. No worries. I'm just gonna. Okay, this Giganotosaurus should be out completely in a few moments. Let's pop this out of the box. There we go. Nope. No. I got this from Target. That was facing through Walmart, and I didn't get anything from Walmart. So, oh, there we go. There we go. We have the Therizinosaurus. Finally, I have the Therizinosaurus out of the package. Look at this sculpting. Also, there's a button right here. If you press, just flashes. All right, let's talk about the articulation. So, all the arms can go out. See if I could do that. Okay, I could do it out of the way. Okay. Oh, this is so scary. This is injury because I had a cut while carrying the box. Roughly, when my mom told me I could buy whatever I want, but in Christmas she'll only give me one toy. Sucks, right? Okay, all right. Here's an opening mouth. Okay, there we go. Opening mouth, and then it just shuts closed when you hit it a little hard. Okay, you could like. Yeah, you could like articulate even upside down everywhere, whatever. Like the power of our T-Rex. You can lift the hands off. You can lift the arms. I mean the legs out of the way. You can. Ooh, this is easy articulation right here. Okay, all right. Let's pull the tail out since it comes another package. Not another extremely rough time of opening this figure. Fine, I'm just gonna cut this side. Oh, also, before I forget, These two figures are by Mattel. Nothing there. Is there any available snips? No snips here. No snips there. Oh, I don't think it comes with snips. Instead, it just comes with you need to open the box using your strength. Let's see if I could do that. Oh my goodness, this is so rough. Oh, there we go. Ooh. No. I ripped the bar. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Let me pull this thing out. Oh! Oh, look at how big this is, guys. Oh! I literally pulled that out. Like, this is the biggest thing in my collection. The Giganotsauras. I'll be trying to open that. Okay. How do I snip these out? Okay, I'll pull out the Giganotsauras next, and then I'll try and pull out the tail. Okay, these snippies are easy to pull out. I mean, these snippies are easy to cut. These ropes. You could call them anything, but just don't call them anything food. Oh my goodness, I'm not trying to cut the skin, all right? I'll try not to cut the skin. Oh. No. No. Okay. Oh. Okay, there's nothing left of it. So I'll just twist this way and oh, not yet. Okay, let me pull out the foot and Giganotsauras is out. Okay, is out. Okay, we have the Giganotsauras finally, but it's too hard for me to articulate the legs. Dude, bro, what the heck is happening right now? Is the Giganotsauras? Oh! That was so close, I almost broke it. Okay, there we go. We got articulation on the hands and the legs. We have articulation on both. We have access to open both jaw parts, and we have a bendy tail. I think is it a bendy tail? Yeah, it's a bendy tail. I didn't get the real feel in Indominus Rex yet, but I still do have the camouflage and battle in Indominus Rex. Why do we have this red stuffy here? Okay, let's listen to the sounds of the Giganotosaurus, because the Giganotosaurus has sounds. Okay, let's listen to this. Let's listen to this dude. Let's listen to this dude. Okay, I might. Okay, now let's do the tail next. Okay, let me do the tail next. I'm just gonna do the tail next. Let me do the tail of the Theriznosauras before I forget. I'll try to pull the tail of the just figure out any kind of way. Okay, how much minutes? Okay, 10 minutes. Because I don't want this video to be way too long. If it is way too long, I'm just gonna snap and cut at the same time. Okay, let me try to pull this Theriznosauras out myself. At least, I think I need help with this. The fire. Okay, I didn't mean to say fire. I just said fire in my imagination. So, although I'll do the scraping moment. Oh, I hope the box. I have access. I have early access to pull. Let's get the tail out. Access. Let's go. I finally have access. Where's my Okay, finally. Let's get this early access going. Oh, here's the tail. Here's the tail. Here's the tail. That's what the tail looks like. I'm gonna try to attach this to the Theriznosauras. No way, this is harder than I thought. And every figure that should be having the tail put together. This is way harder than I thought. There we go. Thought it was way harder than I thought it was easier. Okay. Now the Theriznosauras with its tail. You can swivel the tail wherever direction you want. Also, here is the scan code for the figure for the Theriznosauras and the Giganotsauras. And yep, there they are. It's the Jurassic World Legacy Collection Reimagined Theriznosauras and Giganotsauras.